Hi, and welcome to Easy Collaborative Art, where I share 3 insights into pattern play collaborative art. I'm Charndra, and in episode 39, I'll be talking about what actually makes an art project successful for a community group. Because it's one thing to have an idea, but it's another thing entirely to have something that people enjoy, take part in, and feel good about at the end. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 things that really make that happen. Idea 1. How do you make sure everyone can actually take part? This is the big one. A lot of art projects say they're for all abilities, but when it comes time to start, people hesitate. So what you really want is something where people can begin immediately with no pressure. In pattern play, I start with the simplest marks: circles, spirals, dots. Anyone can do these. There's no skill barrier. These are some of the earliest shapes we learn. And then, as the artwork builds, people can copy patterns that are already there on helpful pages or cards of ideas. So instead of thinking, I don't know what to do, they think, oh, I can try that. And that small shift is what gets people involved. Idea 2. How do you make it easy to run as a facilitator? Because let's be honest, if it's complicated for you, it's not going to last. A successful project needs a system that's simple and repeatable. So I keep things really clear. 3 colours, 1 brush per colour, no mixing, and 1 brush size per layer. That's it. You're not constantly explaining, adjusting, or fixing things. It reduces decision making, keeps the group flowing, and makes the whole experience feel calm instead of chaotic. And that's when you can actually enjoy it too. Idea 3. How do you give the project a clear structure and finish? This is what turns an activity into something meaningful. A good project needs a beginning, a middle, and an end. In pattern play, that means messy playing, exploring, and bling. You can run that over 3 sessions or stretch it out over weeks by adding more layers. But the key is people can see the progress. They can see where they started, they can see it building, and they can see it come together at the end. And that's what creates a shared feeling of we did this together. Let's quickly recap today's 3 insights. Number 1, make it truly accessible so everyone can start straight away. Number 2, use a simple system so it's easy to run and repeat. And number 3, have a clear structure so the project feels complete. If you're ever worried about running an art project with a group, just know it doesn't have to be complicated. When you keep things simple, structured, and inclusive, people relax into it, and that's when the magic really happens, in layers and layers of fun patterns. You don't need to be an artist, you just need a way for people to begin. And once they begin, they build from there. If you'd like to see how this works step by step, you can sign up for my free Beginner's Guide to Collaborative Art. It will walk you through the full process with more tips so you can try it with your own group. Simply click on the orange button at paintingaroundisfun.com. Pattern play collaborative art means creating side by side with 3 stages: messy playing to start with, exploring to build layers, and bling to add the sparkle. It's beginner friendly and everyone can join in.